Halika, sandali. Wait. Wait! Sandali, tingnan natin. Oh. Thank you. Maliit.
Shine lollipops and
Thank you. Taso. Try na.
Maliit oh.
Oh, ang cute mo. Hindi, sandali. Maya. Wait lang. Dito. Sandali! Nagpunta na doon.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Nagpunta na doon. Saan siya nagpunta?
Wala ata na.
Eto.
Gago.
sunshine lollipops.
Cute mo. Ang cute mo, darling.
Bata ka? Manap ka na, ilagay natin sa karton.
Hindi, ang cute. Yung gusto niya. Nagmatching sa ano niya, kapaa niya. Patingin. Sandi, papatingan mo. Nagmatching. Oh, ito na lang, Teddy Bear. Ito. Teddy Bear. Ang cute sa'yo. Teddy Bear ka din, di ba?
Ano?
Teddy Bear ka din. So this is what we chose. This is mine. I will try this one. May nahanap ka?
Wala pa guys.
Ito gusto mo ito.
Oh, maganda rin yung brown. Pero gusto ko black para hindi kahit hindi na mapunasan.
Mataan yung ano dito. Trying it first.
Oh, grabe may expression ni ate.
Okay.
Tawa ako, sabi ko grabe na may expression ni ate. Boto pa talaga. Alam mo pala yan eh. Bisaya eh. Taga saan kayo?
Oh, stupid.
Kaya natawa ko sa
Too big. I'll try to find another size in this. I don't know. But I like it.
ito na po, maganda rin kulay.
Pangit na gano'n niya. Pangit. Ito may dero brown. Ito may nahanap ako. It's okay, but it's too big in the front.
Ang pangit na. Yung hanin mo kagaya ng kinuha mo ba?
But it's comfortable. It's comfortable. Comfortably siya.
Pero ang pangit sa rota.
I might take this one, but we'll see. I'll try to find another one with black or any other color.
Ang laki
Mas
sa
maganda.
harapan.
Nagpunta ka sa kulay, sa black na yon. Adi wow. Alright, so I found this one. This one is mine. The Mickey Mouse one. I don't know why it's there's my mother. She found this one, the Mickey Mouse, and this is Minnie. So I found Minnie. This is my size, and it fits perfectly, and it's comfortable. So I might take this one. What about you? She hasn't still decided yet. And she still hasn't figured out which one she wants.
Napagod na ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong kukunin ko. Ano ba talaga? Nakakuha ka ng saya?
Oh,
Anong kulay?
yung black yung ito, yung mini.
Mini? Sa akin ano kunin ko?
Mickey Mouse.
Ah, tulungan mo ako.
Yan ang Mickey Mouse yung nakuha mong una. Saan? Ito.
Green. Sa loob.
Dito green din yung sa loob mo dito.
Yun nga kaya para papalitan.
The next day.
So, this is already the next day, and I totally forgot to record what we chose for the final Crocs yesterday. So, today I'm going to show you what we chose. So, here's the beautiful model. She is showing, this is mine, this is hers, and of course, mine is more beautiful because it has more design.
Maganda to siya.
Now she's saying mine is beautiful.
Kaso lang malaki. Ito sa akin.
Yan. This is the model, our model. She's trying it. Say hi.
Hi.
Ah, what's a cutie. And, ayan. Yan na, try na yung mga ano niya.
Oh, kita
Mga,
mo malaking dito niyo. Ito hindi oh. Yan ang hinahanap ko. Ito kasi straight siya. Ito malaki sa harapan oh.
yan ang, ang hanap mo wala ditong ano.
Ito kasi malaki siya.
Kaya, yung sa akin, mas maganda.
Maganda rin yung sa akin. Sabi ko naman. Oh, purang ko lang tawag nito oh. Ayan oh, tingnan mo. Yung sa'yo hindi kasi straight siya nak. Yan ang gusto kong hinahanap. Ito kasi purang ko oh. Pwede ba mabalik to?
Hindi naman, maganda naman ang sayo, ah. But of course, mine is more beautiful.
Are you sure about that?
Mine is more beautiful because I chose it, of course. And because, of course, because it's Minnie, our favorite character from our childhood game, our childhood show, sorry. And yeah, so these are the final choice. So these are our final choice. This is my mother. This is mine. Mine has a little design on it that has Minnie. My mother wanted the plain one, but she chose this, and both of them do look beautiful. And of course, the model who wore them, the beautiful, and she paid for them. So thank you. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. And see you all next time. Bye bye. Bye. Can you give me a heart?
So cute. So cute.
Ah, what a cutie. Bye.